Oo nga eh. Oo nga, lagi talaga. Wait, I will show myself later now. Hello. Hello, everyone. More welcome. Thank you, kaibigan, for understanding. One hashtag, one like. Thank you, Erok and Alexandra. Am I loud and clear? Am I or not? Madhatek, you are mad. I forget your name. Is this your real channel or other channel? Let me connect you. Hi, Myron Makikini. Welcome, Myron. Welcome in. So, what's up, all people out there? How's everything, everybody, every else? How are you, all of you there? Okay. I have a towel in my background. What the towel? What the towel? Oops. Slow, low, low. 5 millions in the house. Welcome. I use yung Premiere mo siya. Ano, instant Premiere lang yun, kaibigan bis. Super duper fast. 5 minutes only. Mag-traveling ko. Nasa ano yun, sa live ko. It's there on my live. I just put here, like this one. Like that. What do you call that? Highlights. Yeah, highlights. If you're using your direct streaming on YT, you can click the highlights there beside right side. I think right side. Where's the right side? This is the left side. Right side. Left side. I'm not good in right and left, but I'm good in front and back. No, just kidding. Up and down, down and up. Hey, JK's channel, welcome. Welcome to the nonsense live streaming. I'm just only chit chat. Then later on, I will just keep my mouth shut up. I just leave my stream running out. You know. Wingman TV, welcome here, Wingman. There's a funny thing. Let me go to your channel, Wingman. Oh, I connect you already. Oh, you are 3.65. How about you, Chicas? You have 121. Puti ka pa ho sanay sa back and front. Oo, minsan. Minsan lang. Ay, Chicas, ay ano ba yun? Ay, kagigising rin host. Good morning, Chicas channel. Good morning. It's very humid at this moment. It's 9:11 here in Philippine time. Time check is brought to you by Chicas channel, Wingman TV, my kaibigan Bis Papen, Myro Kikini, Erok and Alessandra, Maxwell 2024, and the Bad Files, and Mad Hot Tech. Alright.